In this video, I will show you how to trade stars on Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, we're here on Monopoly Go. So with Monopoly Go, you can actually trade stars. However, what you can do is you can send stars to a friend. Now to do this, what you're going to want to do is first of all come down to your album. And what you want to do is load up one of your albums. Now just a note that you can only send stars for cards that you have duplicates of. So what I mean by this is if you look in this album, you can see the Goodwill sticker down here has +2 and the one that says On Point has +1. So we know we do have duplicates of these stickers. So what you want to do is press onto any one of these, and as you can see there is an option at the bottom to send to a friend. Now what you can do this up to 5 times every single day. You can't directly trade with friends, but what you can do, of course, if send this to a friend, and if they've got a sticker that you want that they've got a duplicate of, they can go ahead and send that back to you. So that's how you can go ahead and trade stars on Monopoly Go. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If it did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.